Welcome back. Today I want to show you something I just purchased from a local woodworking tool place in Phoenix, Arizona. I've not been a big hand tool person, but I just purchased this new hand plane, and this is the Stanley number 60 and 1/2. It's a low angle block plane, and I'm going to do the unboxing of this plane. So just got this, pulled out the box, and it's got instructions probably on how to adjust it and clean it and sharpen it and different angles. And as this comes out of the box, it's all nice and wrapped up. This is the first block plane I've ever purchased. I've had a couple over the years that people have given to me, but I've never purchased a brand new one. So far, what I'm liking about it, it's nice and heavy. It's not, doesn't look like it has the Cosmoline or, looks like it's gonna be real easy to clean. There's a little bit on here. So I'm looking forward to getting familiar with this and adjusting it. I don't know if you have to sharpen it. Someone had recommended to me today that these edges here are kind of sharp, and he said to get a fine file and file those edges. Then I'll clean the surface. I'll probably take the blade out and clean that up, but I'm excited to try this, being the brand new plane. And what I'm really liking about it is really heavy, and I get myself familiar with this block plane.